Alright, now that I've got a few bags from this collection, I thought I would do a whole video just to talk about it. Welcome to the Sunshine Fashion Love channel. I am Jen, and this video is actually for Julie at Agent Handbag Reviews. She suggested I do this video, and I thought it was a great idea. So I'm going to be talking about Dooney Bourke's Art Deco collection. This is a wonderful collection of bags featuring a colorful coated canvas monogram of the Dooney Bourke monogram. And when I first saw the bags on the website, I was like, oh my gosh, it's like Y2K all over again. And I had one of the It bags from the mid 2000s. I trashed it, I got rid of it somehow. So this just brought back all the feels for me as a 90s kid, and like I was in my early 20s in the mid 2000s. So I have bought 3 of the bags. Yeah, 3. And I'll link where you can purchase them below. They are affiliate links, thank you in advance. And you can get them on the Dooney Bourke website directly, which is where I purchased all 3 of mine. They also sell them at QVC.com, certain styles, and the same with Dillard's. And if they are full price when you're watching this, there are fairly frequent sales, but at the same time, this style right here, the Satchel, has sold out on most places, except I think the white is still available on QVC, but it's currently not available on the Dooney website. I'm not really sure if they're planning to restock. I am kind of hoping that they release more styles and more items in these prints. So they're just beautiful bags. I think they're priced very well. Most of the items are priced between like $150 and $250, and they have beautiful details. So they have both black and white coated canvas monogram, and they have such different looks. Vachetta leather details, 14 karat gold hardware. The bags have this 14 karat Dooney Bourke plaque here, and then it's got like some enamel kind of inlay here. Most of the bags, not all of them, but most of them have feet, which is a really great feature. LV, take some notes. And they have gold zippers, really nice gold zippers with beige zipper tape. And I just love all the details. So the Satchel, and I actually did shoot an unboxing video, but I haven't gotten around to editing yet. I'll probably release this one first. This has like major Louis Vuitton Speedy vibes. In fact, this fits about it has about the same amount of volume as the Speedy 30. It's a little bit wider than the Speedy, but it's also a bit narrower, so it's not as wide, and I believe it's shorter than the Speedy, so it probably fits about the same amount of stuff. It's got the leather tabs on each side, and one detail I really like that the Speedy does not have is that it's got this leather trim near the zipper top, so that like in some of the Speedies, there's canvas cracking. I'm not really sure how these bags will hold up over the long haul, but for a fraction of the price, I got a bag that has the same silhouette as the Speedy, and I was pretty happy with that. It's coated canvas. I have some LV bags, and I will say the coated canvas on the Dooney bags, the canvas is a bit thicker. Like it's more like vintage LV canvas than the current canvas. It's a little bit more like stable, so it's not quite as flexible, and the bags hold their shape pretty well. The 2 things I would have liked to see on this bag, I do think the zipper pulls on all of the bags are a little bit long. Like I don't think they could be half the size. I just feel like they kind of get in the way sometimes, and I think they could be a bit shorter. Also, it's a little bit different, but they have like a different color, like red glazing. The other thing I would have liked to see on this bag is it would have been really awesome. This did come with a removable strap. It's inside the bag. And they added D-rings on opposite sides of the handles to attach the strap. I would have loved to see Dooney do a bandolier style bag instead. So have a strip of vachetta on each side and then have D-rings here. I think that would have made a lot more sense to wear this bag. I don't think I will be using the strap on this. I tried it on with the strap, and it just didn't look it looked very awkward. This is a bit bigger of a bag. Like it looks bigger than it really is on the website, but it's still not like a tiny bag. All right, I'll open it up here. I currently have a bag organizer inside. It doesn't quite fit. Like, it's a little bit, it's not exactly the right size. It could be a little bit like wider. It's about the right length, but it's a little bit short, but it works okay. And on the inside of the bag, they all have like that little key leash inside. So they all have this, and then this one, and then they have different pocket situations. The interior is this red cotton fabric. That's another thing I would have liked to see. I don't mind the red, but I am kind of worried about the dye maybe like transferring onto other fabrics. So I'm glad I have the bag insert in here. But this one has some pockets, and it's got leather trim on it, and then it's got a zipper pocket. The interior zipper is nylon, though it's not a metal zipper. And then it's got a Dooney Bourke leather like plaque here. I'll try to show you here. But it's a really nice, well-constructed bag. And this one I think was priced at like $238 full price. But I got this one on sale, like it was 30% off. So I was like, okay. But I really like this bag. I think it definitely reminds me of the Louis Vuitton Murakami bags, but just at a much lower price, which is great. And I think for, you know, $200, less than $200, I can at least try out the Speedy style to see if I like it. But I think this bag is great. I'm curious to see how the vachetta leather ages. And on the website, it said it was like high resolution Italian, you know, screen printing done in Italy or something like that. So hopefully it holds up well. I'm curious to see also how the hardware holds up too, because, you know, I don't know, who knows? But I've seen some pretty beat up LV bags with like horrendous looking hardware, and I'm like, at that price, I don't know how you would be okay with that. But for the price I paid, I'm pretty, you know, I'm not going to be super picky about it. But here is the bottom, and then here's how it looks, just like kind of arm carrying it here. I'll kind of stand up here. Okay, so here it is, like arm carrying here. That's how I pretty much plan to carry it. I don't think I'll be like wearing it crossbody. It'll just be way too big, and I'm about 5'4" and probably like 125 pounds, something like that. I have no idea. So that is the satchel. All right, we'll move on to the next bag. This was in my last unboxing, and this is the Hobo Bag. And this is the bag I got in black. And I actually, looking at this, I sort of regret not getting other bags in the black, because I was really drawn to the white initially, but the black print is really gorgeous. I think it gives a much different look. It's a little bit more like hip, I guess. I don't know. I feel like the white is more like summery, you know, fun times, casual. This I think is a little bit more like dressy in a way. I don't know if I'm making sense. Oh, and all of the bags I got have removable handles with this type of clasp, which I thought was very nice. And this one reminded me of the Louis Vuitton Boulogne, and that's why one of the reasons why I got it. It's a hobo bag. So you can wear it as a shoulder bag, but because you can remove the strap on it, you could also attach like a chain on this one, or you could attach a longer shoulder strap and try to wear it crossbody. And I don't think that would look weird. This one also has feet. I don't really have any gripes on it. Again, I think the zipper pull is a little bit long. And it would have been nice if this strap was adjustable, but I'm not mad about it. This one is the most expensive. Full price, this is $288, but again, I got it at 30% off. It's got a zipper on the front here. Oh, and this can actually fit a phone. So this is the iPhone 13 Pro, and this does fit in the front pocket. You sort of have to put it in on the diagonal though, and then kind of shimmy it in this way. I don't think I would put the phone in there though. I think I would put the phone, there's an interior pocket, and I think I would prefer to put the phone in there. But there is a front pocket. You could put like, you know, parking slips in here, receipts, stuff like that. You could put a card holder in there. It's a really nice zipper here, and here is the main compartment here. So this one has slip pocket here, slip pocket here, and then it's got a zipper pocket in the back. So lots of compartments in here. I can almost see myself putting the phone in this little front pocket here, so I could just put the phone in here. I don't really see the need to use the front zip pocket, so I think I would just use this. But I think these bags just have such nice like leather details and trim, and I just like the designs. I think they're very fun, fresh, but also like not, you know, they're like kind of adult, you know? So I feel like the black print is a little bit more like grown up, I guess. I don't know. And I feel like I could probably wear this. Again, I live in Florida, so it's warm. I don't have to worry about the snow or anything. So I could wear this in the winter. I could wear this out to dinner. And here I'll show you what it looks like on here. Okay, let me put the zipper. Okay, zipper. What's going on with the zipper here? Uh-oh. We have a malfunction. Oh, here we go. Okay. And the zipper normally is pretty smooth. Okay, so here it is as a shoulder bag here. So you can see. So it sits really nicely. And I can unzip it pretty easily and like get in and out. But I do think I could wear this crossbody and it wouldn't look weird, although I'm not sure if I will. I think the shoulder bag is probably like the way to go, but this is how it looks. Kind of a little mod shot here. And you know, out of all three of the bags, I actually think this one is my favorite right now. I don't know, I think this is the one I can see myself using the most, if I'm being honest. I love this little leather trim here. It's just a really cute bag. And I think this would be, I don't have any kids, but I think this would be a good mom bag. But it also looks kind of put together. And this would also go with a lot of different outfits too, with the colors. So, you know, if you're wearing kind of a neutral color, this kind of dresses it up and adds a little, you know, pop of color here. So this is the Hobo Bag in the Art Deco collection, black monogram. This is the third bag in the video, but the first I actually purchased the Tassel Tote in white, and this is a really cute summer bag. It's about, I think, 12 inches across, and I thought it was going to be, like, it seemed so big online, but then when I got it, I was like, oh, this is a really nice size. It also comes in a smaller size, and this one is actually sort of like a reboot. Dooney has done this style tote in the past, although I think on the vintage ones I've seen, like, they're rolled handles, but then they kind of splay out. And I think on the older ones, that detail was like up further or something. So I actually like the new design better. This one has a really cute tassel on the front. It's got grommets. Again, they all have 14 karat gold hardware. This one also has really cute detailing on the side of the bag with more tassels. And again, feet, how great is that? And it doesn't have a zipper closure, but it does have places on each side of the bag where you can attach this strap. Although I don't think I'm going to be doing that. I think I'll mostly hand carry this bag. And it has a magnetic closure opening, so pretty easy to open and shut. And this canvas, guys, I'm telling you, the canvas is very thick. Like this bag, this doesn't need like it doesn't need anything to keep its shape. The shape, like this canvas is very thick. And on the inside, it's got this same like key leash thing, and then it's got a slip pocket on the front. So slip pocket on the front and then a zipper pocket on the back, like most of the other bags, and it's got the little plaques. So here, I'll show you inside, but you could definitely fit a lot of stuff in it. Here's the iPhone 13 Pro. Like, you could fit a lot of stuff. You could fit sunglasses, tons of stuff, but this is the Tassel Tote, and this is the first one I got. I think this retails for about $218, and I think I paid full price. And I'm honest, I'm not mad about that. I think the bags are priced fairly for what they are. I think the quality is nice, and I love the prints. I think this would be a great, just really cute bag to like take to lunch or take to like a, you know, summer barbecue, something like that. But it's a super cute bag. Oh, and I did treat these with some Havre Deluxe, like water and stain guard or something like that. So I put it all over the bag because I was afraid with the white one of getting it dirty. And I also applied it to all of the vachetta leather, and it didn't discolor the leather. Full disclosure though, I don't recommend all of the Havre Deluxe products. I've had some shoddy luck with some of the others, but the like water and stain guard stuff does work pretty well for me. You can use it on fabric and leather. So I applied it all over the bag. I especially applied it to the bottom because again, with the white, the one thing about the black print is that I feel like that's a little bit more carefree. The white canvas, I am a little bit more worried about getting it dirty or something happening. But yeah, beautiful colors on it. It's got like pink, reds, and kind of a like a brown color, like chocolate, mustard, yellow, orange. So it has a lot of colors incorporated. So you could really, you know, it would match a lot of outfits. Like right now, this shirt would look good with it because again, it's got some of the colors in it. And, you know, it's a really nice, I think it's a very eye-catching, like conversation starter kind of print. People are like, ooh, what's that, you know? So this is the Tassel Tote. And let me bring back the Hobo real quick. So I want to show you guys the difference between the black and white canvas. Okay, this up close is the black and white canvas, just so you can sort of see a comparison here. They're so different. They're both beautiful, and I'm really glad I got both colors because they have such different looks. So that is my Dooney and Bourke Art Deco collection. I've got 3 of the bags. If you have one, let me know which one you have. And is this one you're interested? Did you even know about this collection? Because I haven't seen a lot of buzz about it online, and that's why I wanted to do the video. I haven't seen a ton of videos on it, and I've seen like really nobody talking about this collection on Instagram. So I thought I would give Dooney some love. I think the quality of these bags is super nice. I've only bought one Dooney and Bourke bag before in my life before I bought these 3, and it was around like 2005, 2006. But the quality of these, I've been impressed. I think these are great. This is a great value for the money, and they are fun bags. Anyways, I'm Jen with the Sunshine Fashion Love channel. I'll see you guys again in the next one.